Oh, we're gonna do an unboxing, and this is this is FragWatch. Yeah. Hey guys, this is FragWatch. Today we are going to be We're going to be unboxing the brand new Sora Edition Wallhack SP-004 glass pad. Today, let's get into it. Let me move my mouse here and I'll get this up on the desk because I'm gonna gotta cut a little slat here in this bad boy. Let me get her up there so you guys see. We got nice. Okay, let's get this cut open. Yeah. FragWatch here. Why is it hard right there? I'm not damaging it. There we go. Okay, knife off to the side. My Eagle Scout Spidey sense is going off that I improperly put that knife down. This doesn't look. Oh yeah, it is. There's a crease. Okay. Oh man, the Eagle Scout in me is like, what are you doing? That was not proper. But I'm old. I have confidence in my knife skills. So, you guys can, any other Eagle Scouts out there, you know, heyo. But I'm gonna open it how I want. Here's the wall hack. Here we go. We're opening this bad boy. Is it sealed on the sides? What the fuck is going on here? Okay, where is this? Are these sides? What are these sides? What the fuck is this? What the fuck? I hope this doesn't like fall out. Am I breaking this? What's going on? God damn, it's like in a seal. It's like in a. Okay, it's like opening. I think I broke the box. God damn it. What the fuck is this? It's like sliding. There we go. Oh, I don't understand what the fuck just happened. Oh, it opens on the front. I'm a fucking. Let me show you guys. The pad fell out. Didn't break, I don't think. Okay. So for those, oh man, it's been a long time since I've opened a wall hack pad. Well, not a long time. November. I'm an idiot. This was on the other side. So obviously I had it upside down. It just opens like a book, and the pad was right there. It fell out. Grabbing it. Whee! Here we go. Oh, some other shit fell out. What's this? Oh, it's their little packet. Their packet. Here we go. Sora. Move out of the way. Move out the way. Ooh, doggies. Oh, I'm excited about this. See what we got. Wonder what number I am. I'm number 2269. I don't know whether I should tell you guys that, but fucking whatever. Man, I was late in the bot line if that's the case. Holy shit. Let's rip this so that I ruin the resale value. What do you guys think? Yeah. Just so I can get this video over quicker. Got some cleaning pads and some stickers. Probably like a certification pad that it's authentic or whatever too. Whatever. Get back in there. Get in your home. Okay. Time to live stream. That was the unboxing of the Sora. Thank you for watching. Now I get to, oh shit. Oh, I'm excited now. Okay. FragWatch out.